In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an image using Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly online graphic design tool that has a range of functionalities perfect for anyone looking to create stunning visuals without needing an extensive background in design. So let's dive right in and transform your images with a few simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. You can do this by clicking the login button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Log in using either your Google, Facebook account or by entering your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard. On the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From here, you'll want to select Create a Design, which will prompt a drop-down list of different templates you can use. Choose one that fits the kind of project you're working on, or you can start with a blank canvas if you prefer more flexibility. Now it's time to pick the image you want to edit. Upload your image by clicking on the Uploads tab on the side panel and then selecting the image file from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, click on it and it will appear on your canvas ready for editing. Next, click on the Edit Image button, usually found at the top of your workspace just above the canvas. This will open a panel filled with various adjustment options. Here you can use sliders to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation and white balance to your liking. These adjustments can significantly impact the mood and feel of your image, so take your time exploring them. If you're looking for a quick fix, try applying one of Canva's preset filters to change the overall color tone of your image. These filters can be a great way to create cohesive visual styles in just a click. For those looking to get a bit more creative, Canva also offers a duotone effect that can be found under FX effects on the same panel. This tool creates a two-toned color palette by customizing the highlights and shadows, giving your image a unique and professional look. Once you are satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save your design. You can easily do this by selecting the download button at the top right of the screen. Choose your preferred file format such as PNG or JPEG and hit download. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to change the color of an image in Canva in just a few minutes. With these simple steps, you can give any project a fresh new look. Thanks for watching and happy designing.